This portable pet refrigerator not only stores their food, but serves it to them as well. If you have a pet, then you probably already know that they are hungry almost all the time. No matter how much you feed them, they'll come to you with little puppy eyes, quite literally in the case of doggos, pleading you for some treats. And most of the time, more like all the time, you'll give in.
As tricky as those situations can get, storing their food correctly is another matter altogether. When stored outside, it can often get stale, and that isn't the best for your pet's tummy.
Subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.